Reggae Girlz create history. So yeah, so just we hear a look at history. No bag of long chatting. Give me a rundown there, my boss.
The Jamaican women's national football team, nicknamed the Reggae Girlz, have a long and storied history. The team was first formed in 1991, and they have qualified for the FIFA Women's World Cup on 2 occasions, in 1991 and 2023. The Reggae Girlz have also won the Caribbean Women's Cup on 3 occasions, in 1998, 2000, and 2010. The Reggae Girlz have faced many challenges over the years, including a lack of financial support from the Jamaican Football Federation, JFF. In the lead up to the 2023 FIFA Women's World Cup, one of the players' mothers set up a crowdfunding page to help cover the team's costs, which raised close to $50,000. Despite the challenges, the Reggae Girlz have continued to persevere and make history. In 2019, they qualified for the FIFA Women's World Cup for the first time in 20 years. The team then went on to make history again by defeating Brazil in the 2023 FIFA Women's World Cup, becoming the first Caribbean team to do so. The Reggae Girlz are an inspiration to young girls and women across the world. They have shown that anything is possible if you set your mind to it and never give up on your dreams. Here are some of the most notable moments in Reggae Girlz history. 1991. The Reggae Girlz qualify for the FIFA Women's World Cup for the first time. 2000. The Reggae Girlz win the Caribbean Women's Cup for the first time. 2010. The Reggae Girlz win the Caribbean Women's Cup for the second time. 2019. The Reggae Girlz qualify for the FIFA Women's World Cup for the first time in 20 years. 2023. The Reggae Girlz defeat Brazil in the FIFA Women's World Cup, becoming the first Caribbean team to do so. The Reggae Girlz are a force to be reckoned with, and they are sure to continue to make history in the years to come.
My thoughts on this. The government of Jamaica should be ashamed. And they shouldn't have any bragging rights on these females. A player's mom. What crowdfund page to raise $50,000 to the #1 Caribbean destination for tourists. Yep, that's where we at. Enough said. More to come. Talking to the World Wide Web. Talking to myself. Peace.